Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're talking how to install a graphics card into your computer. It's actually very easy. I've done it many times. I'm kind of a PC enthusiast, so for me it's extremely easy, and I will make sure that I explain it to you as easily as possible so that you can just do it. So guys, of course your PC has to be turned off and you need to remove this plate. I also have a glass plate on my PC so that you can actually access the insidings of your computer. After that, just take your card and install it into this port. It should be somewhere in here. There you go. This port right here. So this is where your card will go. So you just need to basically take it and align it. As you can see, if I can I actually make it bigger? Yeah. So as you can see, this slot is a bit longer, then it separates, and there's another slot. So you need to make sure that you align these connectors properly so that your video card's long connector is going here, and the short one, which is going to be like on the edge of the card almost, it's going in here into the small one, right? So it's very, very easy, guys. Don't fret. It's very, very not that complicated. And this is basically it. And another thing that's not shown in this particular article is shown in this article. So what you need to do, you see this cable right here? So this is what I'm going to show you. So you need to take this cable. It's called PCI Express cable. It's a power cable. It's basically the cable that will power your GPU, your graphics card. It's very, very important to not miss this, because otherwise your card will not work. So you take this this wire. So this wire is supposed to be coming with your power supply. So power supply is actually very important. It's actually shown on this article, I believe. Anyway, no, it's not. Let me just Google it. So PSU. Oh no, actually, let us type in PSU, PCI Express. There you go. And this is going to be the cable that will be actually inside of the packaging of your power supply. So no matter which power supply you have, this power cable that will go inside of your GPU will be included in the packaging. So you just take this cable, you put one part of it into the slot in your actual PSU power supply, and the other part, which is probably going to be this one, will go into this slot in your GPU, okay? And you're pretty much done. But the only last thing that's left to do is you need to screw, there's a certain screw that will be located somewhere over here that you will need to screw with your screwdriver so that you basically make sure that it's solid, like concrete solid inside of your PC case, so that it doesn't wiggle or anything like that, you know? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me actually take a look at this tutorial once again. Yeah, there you go. So this is your GPU, and these are two screws. I personally have on my PC only one screw. So basically, these screws are meant to be holding your GPU in place so that it doesn't wobble, because if it wobbles, it can actually break your motherboard. So this is very important. Do not forget to use these screws. And that's basically it. It's just as simple as it gets. Everything else, the rest left to do is to just put your panel back on, which is this one, right? The one that protects your insidings of your PC. You just slide it back on, screw it. It's actually, I think it's shown in here. There you go. In here, you just screw it back, right? So your plate, you're inserting it in there, screwing, it's going to be two screws on the top and the bottom. You're just screwing them back, done. Your GPU works. And after that, you just need to connect the monitor. I think it's shown here. There you go. So depending on which GPU you will have, graphics card you will have different inputs, right? Different like VGA, HDMI, or DVI, and also DisplayPort, which is the newest. What should I call it? Interface, I suppose. It's in English. And you basically take the cable of your monitor. You need to take this cable from your monitor, insert it to the monitor, and then from the monitor, that same cable goes into your graphics card, depending on which slots you have. So I have DisplayPort, that's actually not here. These interfaces are quite old. VGA and DVI are very old interfaces. HDMI is fine, but it's not the best. So yeah, and that's basically it. You connect your monitor to your graphics card and you're done and set to go. Just power on your PC and everything's going to be working. Do not forget to install the graphics drivers as well. Guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy. See you in the next one.